How to delete account on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually delete account on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete your account on Instagram, go ahead and open the Instagram app, come to your profile page, tap the three lines option, and then simply go to the option called Account Center. Once you come to this option here known as Account Center, you want to simply go to another option known as Personal Details, then go to Account Ownership and Control, Deactivation or Deletion. Select this option over here, which is your Instagram account, and then just tap on the option called Delete Account, and then just tap on Continue option. And now you can go ahead and select your reason, tap on the Continue option, and once done, enter the password to finish deleting your account on Instagram. This way you can delete your account on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.